Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in my last tutorial I started to show you how to create folders in Microsoft Outlook in the inbox. And I sort of hit a spot where I had to stop because the way you have to create folders in my case is that you have to actually log into Webmail and create the folders there. Now, there are some things about email that differ depending on how your system is set up. And again, if you have questions, I'd urge you to give me a call because it's the best way I can advise you. There's just too many scenarios. But in this particular case, in order to create a new folder, I'm going to come over here and I'm in Webmail right now. I've accessed my email account via Webmail and I'm going to click on New Folder. I happen to use GoDaddy. So what I'm going to do is the first folder I'm going to do is something called projects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 0 and then I'm going to put in project. So what I use the project folder for is anything that I'm working on. I'm going to click on this drop down and it's basically going to be a subfolder of the inbox, and I'm going to click OK, or it should be, and I might have to adjust this slightly. Actually, I take that back. It's over here on the left, and what it is it's a project folder. So next, I'm going to create another new folder, and I'm going to see if I can make it the inbox. No, it's got to be right here. So I'm going to next come in here and type in the number 1, and I'm going to call this important. Now, the reason I'm putting a number in front of them is because if I don't put a number in front of them, they show up in alphabetical order. And because I'm putting a number in front of them, alphabetically numbers come before letters. So I'm creating the order of the folders that I want to work with. Click OK. I'm going to do one more folder. And the next folder is going to be something that I refer to as Saturday. And I'll explain this when I get back into the next tutorial. And I'm going to click OK. So now I have 3 folders over here: Project, Important, and Saturday. Typically I like to make them part of the inbox, but the nature of the way this is set up, you're going to see it's a slightly different option here, but that's okay. I can do it this way if I so desire. So now I've created those 3 folders, and what's going to happen is in my next tutorial, I'm going to open up Outlook and I'm going to bring those folders in, and you'll see that in the next tutorial. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye now.